All right, just wanted to give an update on my Prusa XL experience so far. For the most part, everything has been perfectly smooth. It's been running well. It's been making beautiful parts. Haven't had any issues there. I did have, within the first couple weeks, I did have an error code. So I was having an issue with, after going through the troubleshooting, it seemed like the heater on this extruder. So I reached out to Prusa, first by email, and then I didn't get a response for like a few days, like by 4 days. I was like, oh, it's taking a long time. So then I went ahead and just did their live chat. Took a minute to get in queue. Once I got in queue, they got it resolved within 15 minutes and had the parts on their way. So no charge or anything like that, warranty work. Got the heater core in, and that was it. That fixed the issue. So just happened to be, I guess, just a faulty heater core on one of the extruders. Happens. I've had that happen with multiple other printers as well, actually. Like little parts like that, but good support experience so far, so I was happy with that, and parts are running great on it. Love the dual extrusion, independent dual extrusion. That's really nice. I was able to do some nice TPU parts. I'll have to get some pictures of that at some point. But yeah, more updates to come.